So today we decided we're going to take a little road trip to Total Wine and More because I asked recently what meads, wines, and ciders you guys have locally to sample for our virtual tasting. So we thought, let's see what we have. In the words of Siri, who brought us here, we have arrived. Here's Mead. And of course they have Chaucers. I don't know, some of these are meads too. Yeah, there's Cider, Sky River. I've seen that before.
Alrighty.
This, not mead. And that looks like pretty much it. The rest is ports.
All right, so we have Chaucers. We have Dance Mod selections.
Yep.
We have Camelot Mead, Redstone Mead, Sky River, and then the smaller Charm City Meadworks. Oh, and Superstition.
So if you're curious what this is all about, essentially, we want to do a virtual tasting. I put it on the community tab like a week ago, but I know not everybody can see that. So what we're going to do is basically have the community pick like 3 to 5 meads or wines or ciders that are commonly available that we can get too. And then we're going to do a tasting of these things on camera, and you can basically play along. The reason behind it, as Diana from our VIP said, is that we describe flavors that sometimes people have no idea what we're talking about. And if they can't taste the exact same beverage that we are, they don't really know what we're doing, they don't understand, and it all becomes this very big, complicated thing. Essentially, that way you're tasting the same thing we are. So if we describe a flavor, you can say, oh, yeah, I get that. Or I don't get that at all. And that either way is perfectly fine, but it gives everybody a chance to be on common ground. There was a suggestion of using our brews, but here's the thing. There's some inconsistency. Anytime you make a recipe, if someone else does it, they maybe use a different honey, they use a different water, anything that changes it, changes that brew. And I'm really sorry if you can hear that noise behind me. There's some work going on around. But that's the gist of it. But anyway, back to the video. Well, we're clearly in the aisle marked cider, and it should be right here. But there's no cider. Nothing in this aisle. Okay, we found it. It's under hard cider. It was like 20 feet away. So here's some of our ciders. Golden English, Keel Farms, Copperberg. I think that's the one that Kat mentioned when I asked this. Magner's, Cider Boys. Wow, there's lots of ciders. So basically, if you guys come up with ciders, I'm pretty sure we can get them.
This is all ciders.
Yeah, these are all ciders too. There's so many ciders. So yeah, pretty sure cider is not going to be an issue. All right, so the reason we did this was because a few people were starting to recommend things that there was just no way we were going to find those. So we figured, you know what, let's go with here's the things that we can find. So if you can find those too, the more people suggest them, then that might be one of them that we end up choosing. See, we're just trying to be a little bit smart about this so that we can actually get some of the stuff that you guys are recommending. And that way we can all taste them together.
So if you find one of the brews that we showed in this video, please put a comment in the comments below so that way we can kind of compile a list. So when we do a drink with Brian and Derica, we can all share the same brew.
Exactly. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
Bye-bye.